Hi, this is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi, here with another balloon tutorial. Now, what I'm going to do is, I know I've showed you this in the past, but I thought it was good to go back, and I want to do it with regular 260 balloons. A lot of times when I make flowers, I use a balloon called a Geo, but I know a lot of you might not have access to them, so I want to do everything with just standard balloons, 260s that you can find in a party store. So we're going to make a balloon hat. Now it could be a flower, a regular flower too, but we're going to do a hat today. So I already pre-blew this up. I left a little bit of a tail, as you can see. And now all I do is, like we normally do with our balloons, is we squeeze just a little bit. And what this does is this pushes the air up and makes the balloon a little softer so it's easy to work with. And now all I'm going to do is make a very small bubble here. It's only like an inch, inch and a half at most. You need a very, very small bubble. And all I do is put it around whosever head you're using. It could be a child, but for now we're going to use my head. I put the balloon around my head. I measure it so you can see where it's at. I take it off and I twist right here. Now, that's balloon number one. This is ready. The balloon part is going to be attached to the top, but we're not ready for that, so I'm going to put this down for now. Over here I have another balloon. I blew up, I left the tail about this long, and I tied the two pieces together to form what you see right here. Now all I do is we're going to make the actual flower now. I measure this like this, thumb on one end, thumb on the other, bring them together, twist. Now we're going to do the same thing. Fold over, same thing, thumb, bring it back, grab really hard, and twist. Now we have our beautiful orange flower petal. Now all I'm going to do here, I'm going to put that down a minute. I'm going to make a very small bubble right here, about another like 1-inch bubble, just like we did at the start. Now I'm going to lift this up, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to work this in and just twist this around the flower. So watch. I get it around this one, then I take it around this one, and maybe around this one. And now it's just a matter of positioning your green so it's up like here. And here we have our beautiful, beautiful flower balloon hat. And I hope you enjoyed this month's balloon video tutorial. This is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.